We arrived at our final destination, a little cabin near Long Beach, Washington. Actually closer to Ilwaco, Washington, but just 3 miles from Long Beach. So this is where we're going to put our feet into the Pacific Ocean, and that will conclude our coast-to-coast travel. Total mileage, 4,006. That includes all the side trips. Trailer did great. Car did great. We did great. We're all great, right, Shadow? Let's go to the beach. Hello, Pacific Ocean. This is Long Beach as viewed from Beard's Hollow Overlook. Here we are at Long Beach, longest beach in the world. You can park out here. We decided to walk down so we can see the arch. Warnings not to swim. We don't plan to, so no problem there. Shadow just wants to sniff so far. She doesn't realize yet that there's an ocean out there. No idea. Sand's a lot darker than at Ocean City. Along the eastern coast, it's gray, but it's nice and soft. You're allowed to park on the beach and drive on the beach. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. She's loving it. Let's go see the water. Do you remember Ocean City, Shadow? It's only 60 degrees here right now, and a good breeze, but not as breezy as Ocean City. Hello, Pacific Ocean.
I think Shadow likes the water.
Come on, Shadow, let's go see the water. Let's go. What do you think, Shadow? Is that worth it?
That was fun, guys. Oh, she's ready. She's probably thirsty now.
Let's go surfing next. Maybe tomorrow we'll get some sunshine on the beach. Make it a little bit more interesting and comfortable.